What's up guys, Patrick here, and in this question we're told that if you made $140,000 last year, we have to find the taxes on that $140,000 that are due with the following tax brackets here. So over here in this column we have where the income is falling, and then over here we have the tax percentage. So if the income is less than or equal to $50,000, you get taxed at 15%. If it's between $50,000 and $90,000, you get taxed at 28%. Etc., etc. So you made 140. So notice that you're falling over here in this bracket between 90,000 and 160,000. Now the 140,000, it doesn't get taxed fully at 42,000. It's a tiered system. So what would happen is from that 140,000, the first 50,000 would get taxed at 15%. And then the income from 50 to 90, so notice how the difference between those is 40, right? So the next 40,000 would get taxed at 28%. Right? So we took the 140, we got 50 of it here, 40 of it here, taxed at that. So notice that in total is 90. And so how much is remaining from 90 to 140? Well, 50,000 more. And then that extra 50,000 would be taxed at 42%. So we would have plus 50,000 multiplied by 0.42. So notice how 50 plus 40 plus 50 does indeed give you 140. Now let's say that you made 200. Well, this would stay the same, this would stay the same, and then 200 would fall in this bracket. So from 90 to 160, notice that that's 70,000 would get taxed at 42%, right? So we would have 70,000 times 0.42, and then how much would be remaining to get to 200? Well, we would cover 160 so far, so 40 would be remaining, then 40,000 would get taxed at 50%. So there would be 4 things that we're adding, right? So just wanted to mention that, but because we're dealing with 140, this is what the taxes are made of. And so when you do those calculations, you'd get 7,500 here, 11,200, and then 21,000. Adding those up, you get 39,700. So that is the total amount of taxes due on this income given these tax brackets.